Our packages are carefully designed for busy people who would like their business startup admin to be taken care of by one agency. So we've put together the most common combination of service requirements into 4 easy-to-use packages. But at the same time, we've allowed for customization should you wish to add or subtract any of the services. The added bonus of packages is that they are discounted by up to 20%. Package application means that we take your details only once. There's no mindless duplication of data. We also ensure that the services are completed in the correct sequential order. For example, a company will need its registration documents to be completed before a tax clearance certificate can be applied for. Equally, the services that we can start at the same time will run in a parallel workstream to save time. You'll automatically be notified when each registration is completed, and any queries will be supported by our friendly call center staff. Your completed registration documents will be stored online under your past purchases indefinitely for you to access at any time in the future. Now, websites and business plans depend on the quantity and quality of information you supply us with. So to ensure we get the best information from you, we provide questionnaires and templates to help you supply us with the necessary information and images. To start, select the package you think will suit your needs most, and then add or deselect any of the services. And you'll see the prices will be automatically recalculated. Once you've tailored the package to suit your needs, simply click on the Buy Now button and the process will start. This is the most time-efficient and cost-effective way to get your company and business-related registrations done in the shortest possible time. I hope this has been helpful, so as always remember, we are here to help.